Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to reactivate your Binance account. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already gone to Binance.com. Now all I'm gonna do is log in. At the top right next to sign up, you can see the login button right here. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. From here, all you guys need to do is enter your email address. Do note that you cannot reactivate your account by using Google or Apple. You need to have added a password. Well, in my case, I have done that, so I'm simply gonna add the email address right here and click on next. And guys, that is it. Once you've done that, enter your password right here and hit on next once again. Well guys, that is it. As you can see, it's saying that my account has been blocked. Let's simply hit on unlock right now. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. From here, let's simply click at reactivate account. Now it's gonna try to send us a verification code in the registered email address. Simply click on the get code button right here and the verification code will be sent. I'm gonna go to Gmail right now and check for it. And guys, this is it. This is the code that I have received. I'm just gonna copy it and paste it right here. As you can see, once I pasted it, the process has begun. Now all you need to do is answer some questions and it might take up to 3 days to reactivate your Binance account. And guys, that is it. That's how you reactivate your Binance account. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.